So remember, we are working on area and perimeter. Don't forget to put your name.
Well, Janes is one of our oldest schools, but there's a lot of challenges with this older building. As you can hear when students are transitioning, there's a lot of noise. And no elevators at all. To do that type of retrofitting would be so costly. One of the goals of the referendum is to modernize our facilities in a way that creates a space where students can learn 21st century skills. This long-range facilities plan allows us to impact every student, which is roughly around 18,500 students.
Some schools need a little work, some schools need a lot of work.
So this is our art room. We try to do the best we can with the space we have. We need more space for supplies.
And so we think it's important to look building by building and have a plan that's specific to that building.
The referendum will fund $598 million worth of projects that will be implemented over the next 8 to 9 years. And we're able to do that with a flat tax rate. Many of our buildings are at an age where it's extremely expensive to build secure entrances. Safety and security will be able to be addressed. We also have some areas we need to expand and respond to the demographic shifts in that community. But we also have areas where enrollment has lowered over time, and we have an opportunity to consolidate and bring those communities together and give those students a better learning experience with one new facility. This plan also gives us an opportunity to expand on existing programs like the Academies of Racine.
Our students know that they have what it takes to be successful. They just don't have the same opportunities that other school districts may have because of funding.
For our teachers, it gives them modern and flexible learning spaces that will impact how they interact with students, and then that cycles back to ultimately impact student achievement. We are committed to protecting our taxpayers, and we have worked diligently over the last several years to maintain a stable tax rate. We will continue our commitment to keep the tax rate flat over the course of the referendum. All of our students deserve a high-quality learning environment, and this master facilities plan will help us move our district and the community forward.